Hello everyone. Today we're introducing a watch movement cleaner for all watch enthusiasts and repair professionals. The fully automatic ultrasonic watch cleaning machine Pro. As a professional grade watch maintenance solution, this device leverages ultrasonic cleaning technology as its core, integrating four key features: high efficiency operation, wide compatibility, convenient operation, and comprehensive protection. It is designed to provide standardized, efficient support for cleaning, watch movements, and precision components. From the perspective of technological advantages, this equipment possesses three core competitive strengths. Compared to traditional manual wiping and conventional spray cleaning methods, which ultrasonic cavitation effect boosts cleaning efficiency by over 200%. Achieving precision down to 0.1 millimeters, it thoroughly removes stubborn grease, metal debris, and dust from movement crevices, with a cleaning pass rate of 99.8%. Compatible with 99% of mainstream watch movements on the market, including complex movements such as perpetual calendars and chronograph movements, and rare special material movements such as titanium, alloy, and ceramic composite movements. It can also be extended for cleaning applications in jewelry and micro-precision components. It equipped with an embedded intelligent control system supporting visual parameter settings and one-touch storage. The protection system features a gas filtration module reducing VOC emissions by 85%, splash-proof safety doors, and emergency shutdown devices, meeting industrial safety operation standards. The fuselage features an aluminum alloy monocoque construction with anodized surface treatment, achieving C5 corrosion resistance rating. Overall dimensions: 405 mm by 440 mm by 680 mm. Net weight: 53 kilograms. Designed for standard workbench installation where the footprint is less than or equal to 0.2 square meters. It supports 110 volts minus 240 volts, wide voltage input 50/60ths of a Hertz universal. Equipped with interchangeable international standard plugs, American standard, European standard, British standard to meet power system requirements across different regions worldwide. Equipped with an acrylic safety door, impact resistance greater than or equal to 120 kilojoules per square meter. Featuring a built-in photoelectric sensor equipment, cannot start if the door is not fully closed. A red emergency stop button is installed on the top, with a response time of is less than or equal to 0.5 seconds, which can immediately pause the equipment operation and reduce operational risks. Our washing chamber is equipped with a mesh basket for washing stations and one drying station. First, we see the cleaning baskets. We have equipped the cleaning system with two different types of baskets for this purpose: a 3-layer metal basket and a polymer basket. The polymer basket ensures components are less prone to damage compared to the metal basket. Cleaning stations include 1 ultrasonic cleaning cup and 3 ultra-clear tempered glass cups. It utilizes hot air drying with freely adjustable temperatures ranging from 30 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. We can directly operate the workstation's operation and settings on the main page. First, you'll see the displayed date. The first row contains 4 workstations, each of which can be individually turned on or off. Additionally, you can set the cleaning mode for each workstation. There are 5 modes in total. The higher the mode, the stronger the cleaning intensity. The second row allows setting of the cleaning time and spin dry time for each workstation, including the drying position time. The third row allows setting the machine's language. Adjusting the lights of the cleaning chamber